Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on the Charles Schwab app. First, open the app and securely log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and tap on the Trade section. From there, you'll need to select the specific investment, such as a stock or ETF, that you intend to sell. This initial step ensures you are ready to place your order efficiently and accurately. Now that you've selected your investment, it's time to place the sell order. Make sure to choose Sell as the transaction type. Next, carefully enter the precise number of shares or units you want to sell. This could be a full position or just a partial amount. Finally, you'll need to select an order type, which determines how your sale will be executed in the market. Understanding order types is crucial for successful selling. A market order will execute immediately at the best available current price, offering speed. Alternatively, a limit order lets you specify a minimum price you're willing to accept, providing more control. Before proceeding, always take a moment to thoroughly review all the order details, including the investment, quantity, and chosen order type, to prevent any errors. The final step is to confirm and submit your order. On the confirmation screen, double-check every detail one last time to ensure accuracy. Once you are confident, tap to submit your order for execution. After submission, you can easily monitor the status of your sale by navigating to the Orders tab within the app. This allows you to track its progress until it is fully completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.